It's a new 2019 Honda Fit. Exhibiting fashion and function, the Fit is a pack mule in show pony packaging. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. The Car Connection finds it makes the best use of its small footprint, it's more appealing outside and in, and it earns the best crash test scores of any small hatchback, not to mention exceptional fuel economy. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
When you buy from us, you become part of the Hersons Auto Group family. Stop in today on S Frederick Rd in Rockville, Maryland.